Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Good. Children, can you see some words popping out on the screen? Let's see what are these words. Watermelon. Watermelon is made up of two words. Water, which you drink when you are thirsty, and melon, which is a fruit. See the next word, wallpaper. Wall which makes up our houses. Paper on which you write. Next word is backbone. Backbone. Back is a part of a body on which you carry your school bag. Bone is the hard part of the body. Children, if you see these, there is a common thing in these words. You know, children, they are two different words making up a new word with a new meaning. These words are called compound words. And so today we are going to learn something known as compound words. Compound words are made up of two or more smaller words that are combined to make a new word with its own meaning. Just see the example. Ear plus ring. Earring. Ear by which you hear something. Ring which is worn on your ring finger. When both of these words join, they give word earring, which we wear in our ears. Children, there are types of compound words. There are three types of compound words. Closed compound word, open compound words, and hyphenated compound words. Let's have a look at each of them. Closed compound words. Closed compound words are those in which when you combine two words we get a single word with a different meaning. They are made of two words without a space in between. Closed compound words look like one word. Let's see some examples. Sun plus flower is equal to sunflower. Sunflower is a flower. Next, moon plus light, moonlight. Fire plus fly, firefly. Bed plus room, bedroom, where you sleep. Rain plus bow, rainbow, which has how many colors? 7. How is the color seen? What is the colors called? Vibgyo. Now children, let's see the second example of compound words, which are called open compound words. Open compound words put two words together to create a meaningful word but uses a space to separate them. Even though the words seem separate, when you read them together, they have a new meaning. Let's see some examples. Hot plus dog is equal to hot dog, a dish which you eat. Ice plus cream is equal to ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. You see, in ice and cream there is space. These are called open compound words. When there is space between two words, they are open compound words. Now let's see next example. Peanut plus butter. Children, if you see, peanut is also a compound word. Peanut, which is a compound word, plus butter is equal to peanut butter, which you spread on bread and eat. You eat, na? Spider web. Web plus page is equal to web page. Table plus cloth is equal to tablecloth. Cloth which is spread on the table. Now the third example of compound word is hyphenated compound words. Hyphenated compound words place a hyphen between the two words. Sometimes we use a hyphen to separate parts of a compound word. A hyphen is a short dash that is used to join words together. See the example? Merry go round. Merry hyphen go hyphen round, which is seen in fair and amusement parks. High tech, high technology. The next example is left-handed, left hyphen handed. This boy is left-handed, that is why he is writing from left hand. High speed, the car is going in high speed. But children, we should not drive in high speed, okay? We should go in slow speed. Next example is runner up. Yes, he is second. He's got the second position. Runner hyphen up. Runner up. Understood, children? Good. Thank you.